In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable reader mode in Google Chrome on desktop, step by step, so you can open articles and web pages in a cleaner, distraction-free layout. This is super helpful if you want to read long posts, focus on the text, or remove extra clutter from a page while browsing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop. You can do this from your taskbar, your start menu, or your desktop shortcut, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, go ahead and open any article or web page that you want to read. This can be a news article, blog post, or any page with a lot of text. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps a lot of its built-in tools and settings. After clicking the three dots, scroll down through the menu until you find More Tools. Hover your mouse over More Tools, and a side menu will appear with additional options. In that submenu, look for Reading Mode and click it. As soon as you do that, Chrome will open the page in Reader or Reading Mode, giving you a much cleaner layout with fewer distractions. Depending on the web page, the text may be easier to read, and unnecessary elements like ads, sidebars, or extra buttons may be reduced or removed. If you're trying to study, research, or just read an article more comfortably, this feature can make a big difference. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable reader mode in Google Chrome on desktop using the three dots menu. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.